Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 13th chapter, Solution of Triangles. So the introduction of this chapter is, in a triangle, three sides and three angles are called elements of the triangle. For example, ABC is a triangle. In this, AB, BC, CA are called sides. Next to angle A, angle B, angle C are called angles. So the capital A opposite side is denoting with a small a, and the capital B opposite side is denoting with a small b, capital C opposite side denoting with a small c. So the three sides and three angles are called elements of the triangle. Next, if three elements, in that at least one of them is a side. So in the three elements, one of the elements should be a side of a triangle are given, then process of finding the remaining three elements is called the solution of the triangle. So here three elements nothing but, for example, S, S, S. So three elements. So three sides are given. So finding the three angles is called a solution of a triangle. Otherwise, SAS, two sides, one angle given, then finding the one side and remaining two angles is called a solution of a triangle. Next, one more case, SAA. So that means one side, two angles are given, then finding the two sides and third angle is called a solution of a triangle. So in this chapter, we need to learn one table, so very important. Here sine 0 degrees is 0, sine 15 degrees root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2, sine 75 degrees is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2, sine 90 degrees is 1. Next, coming to trigonometry ratio cos, just you interchange these elements. So sine cos 0 degrees is 1. Next to cos 75 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2, and cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, cos 30 degrees is 1 by 2, and cos 75 degrees root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next to cos 90 degrees is 0. Just I was written in the reverse order. Next to tan, but tan theta formula is sin theta divided by cos theta. So then tan 0 degrees is 0 by 1, answer is 0. Next to here, tan 15 degrees, sin 15 by cos 15. So 2 root 2 cancel. So then it is equals to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. But its simplification is 2 minus root 3. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 simplification. So just you simplify, you will get 2 minus root 3. Next to tan 30 degrees, here 2 cancel. So then 1 by root 3. Next to tan 45 degrees, 1 by root 2 cancel. So then it is equals to 1. Next to tan 60 degrees, here 2 cancel, root 3 by 1 is root 3. Next here 2 root 2 cancel. So then tan 75 degrees is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1, and its simplification is 2 plus root 3. Next to tan 90 degrees, 1 by 0, it is undefined, so the undefined is denoting with the infinite symbol. So along these we need to remember two more values which are sine 18 degrees, so it is equals to root 5 minus 1 divided by 4, but this value is equals to cos 72 degrees also. Next, one more value, cos 36 degrees, so it is equals to root 5 plus 1 divided by 4, it is equals to sine 54 degrees also. And few formulas which are very useful to this chapter, that is sine rule. First one, so you know very well sine rule is a by sine a equals to b by sine b equals to c by sine c. It is equals to 2r. Next to cosine rule. So the cosine rule is cos a, it is equals to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Next to cos b equals to c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ca. Cos c equals to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. So next to half angle formulae. Half angle formulae means here half angle. First half angle formula is tan a by 2. Tan a by 2 equals to under root s minus b into s minus c divided by s into s minus a. Next second half angle formula, that is tan b by 2. It is equals to s minus c into s minus a divided by s into s minus b. And third half angle formula, that is under root s minus a into s minus b divided by s into s minus a. Next to most important formula, that is angle sum property. The angle sum property is sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now let's go to exercise problems. Solve the triangle ABC with first question a equals to 2, b equals to root 2, c equals to root 3 plus 1. Here a, b, c are called sides of a triangle. So solve triangle ABC means now we need to find out the angles. So to find out the angles, I am using cosine rule. From the cosine rule, cos A equals to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. In this, substitute a, b, c values. B value root 2 whole square, c value root 3 plus 1 whole square minus a value is 2 square divided by 2bc, 2 into root 2 into c value root 3 plus 1. Here root 2 square is 2 and root 3 plus 1, a plus b whole square formula, root 3 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1 minus 2 square is 4 divided by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. Then it is equals to 2 plus, here square root cancel, 3 plus 1 square is 1, so to overall 4 plus 2 into root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. Here plus 4 minus 4 cancel, take the 2 common, 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. 1 plus root 3 plus 1 both are same. Here 2 cancel, 1 by root 2. So then the cos A value is equals to 1 by root 2. So in the table 1 by root 2 is equals to cos 45 degrees. Then cos cancel. Then angle A value is 45 degrees. So similarly find out the angle B. To find out the angle B, use cos B formula, that is c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ca. So let's substitute the a, b, c values in this. So it is equals to, so let's simplify. So it is equals to root 3 plus 1 whole square is root 3 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1 plus 2 square is 4 minus root 2 square is 2 divided by 2 2s are 4 into root 3 plus 1. A square root cancel, 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 root 3, 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 4 into root 3 plus 1. Here 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4 into root 3 plus 1. From the numerator take the 2 common, 3 plus root 3 divided by 4 into root 3 plus 1. So it is equals to, from the numerator, here 3 I am writing as a root 3 whole square plus root 3 divided by 4 into root 3 plus 1. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are, and from the numerator take the root 3 common. So 1 root 3 will be there in inside, and here 1 and 2 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 cancel, root 3 by 2. So finally cos B equals to root 3 by 2. But from the table root 3 by 2 equals to cos 30 degrees. So cos cancel, then angle B equals to 30 degrees. And we already found angle A value is 45 degrees. Let's find out the angle C from the angle sum property, 180 minus angle A plus angle B. So 180 minus 30 plus 45. So 180 minus 30 plus 45 is 75. It is equals to 105 degrees. So here given 3 sides and we found 3 angles. This is called solve the triangle ABC. Second question, A equals to 2, B equals to root 3 plus 1 and C equals to root 6. So then solve the triangle ABC. So that means finding the 3 angles of a triangle. So first angle A using the cosine rule, that is B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Substitute the ABC values in this. So it is equals to A plus B whole square formula. So then 3 plus 1 plus 2 into root 3 and root 6 whole square is 6 minus 2 square is 4. 2 into root 6 into root 3 plus 1. So it is equals to 3 plus 1 4 and 4 and minus 4 cancel. So 2 root 3 plus 6 divided by 2 root 6 into root 3 plus 1. From the numerator take the 2 common. So root 3 plus 3 divided by 2 into root 6 into root 3 plus 1. Now along with the 2, let's take the root 3 common. Then here 1 plus root 3 will comes divided by 2 into root 6 can write as a root 2 into root 3 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1, 1 plus root 3 cancel, root 3 cancel, 2 cancel. So it is equals to 1 by root 2. So then cos A equals to 1 by root 2, but it is equals to cos 45 degrees. So cos cancel, then angle A, that is 45 degrees. So let's find out the angle B. So for the angle B, use cos B formula, that is C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2CA. Substitute the ABC values in this. So let's simplify this. Root 6 whole square is 6 and 2 square is 4 minus here A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB divided by 2 2s are 4 root 6. 6 plus 4 10, here minus 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 4 root 6. So 10 minus 4 answer is 6 minus 2 into root 3 divided by 4 root 6. Take the 2 common. 3 minus root 3 divided by 4 root 6. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are, then it is equals to, take the root 3 common, so 1 minus root 3 minus 1 divided by root 6 can write as a root 2 into root 3 and 2. Here root 3 cancel, so then it is equals to, finally cos b equals to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So it is equals to cos 75 degrees, so cos cancel, then angle b equals to 75 degrees. But we already found that the angle a value, it is equals to 45 degrees. So let's find out the angle c value using the angle sum property. So 180 minus angle a plus angle b. So 180 minus 75 plus 45. So 180 minus 75 plus 45 is 120. So it is equals to 60 degrees. Second bit, first problem, a equals to 5, b equals to 13, c equals to 12. So here three sides given. Let's find out the three angles by using the cosine rule. So cos a equals to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2 into b into c. Substitute the a, b, c values in this. 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144 minus 5 square is 25 by 2 into 13 into 12. So 169 plus 144, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry 11, 1 carry 313 minus 25 by 2 into 13 into 12. 313 minus 25 is 288 by 2 into 13 into 12. 2 ones are 2, 144 are 12 ones are 12, 12s are 144. So 12 by 13. So then cos a equals to 12 by 13. So 12 by 13 value is 0.923. So then it is equals to cos 23 degrees. So cos cancel, then angle a equals to 23 degrees. So next, cos b value. The cos b formula is, let's substitute the ABC values in this. So it is equals to 144 plus 25 minus 169 divided by 2 into 12 into 5. So 144 plus 25 is 169 minus 169 divided by 2 into 12 into 5. So 169 minus 169 is 0. 0 by denominator 2 into 12 into 5, it is equals to 0. So the finally cos b equals to 0, but 0 is equals to cos 90 degrees. So cos cancel, then angle b equals to 90 degrees. So then finally the third angle is C angle. So you can find out the angle C using the cosine rule cos C, otherwise angle sum property. So angle C equals to 180 minus angle A plus angle B. So 180 minus angle A value 23 and angle B value 90 degrees. So 180 minus 113 degrees. So it is equals to 67 degrees. Second problem, a equals to 13, b equals to 14, c equals to 15. Then find three angles. So to find out the angle A, use cos A formula, that is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2 into b into c. Substitute a, b, c values, b value 14 square, c value 15 square, a value 13 square divided by 2 into 14 into 15. 14 square 169 plus 196 plus 15 square 225 minus 13 square 169 divided by 2 into 14 into 15. So 196 plus 225, 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3 9 12, 1 carry. So 421 minus 169 divided by 2 into 14 into 15. 421 minus 169 equals to 11 minus 9 2, and 11 minus 6 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2, by 2 into 14 into 15. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 six are 12. Next to 2 sevens are 2, 63s are 7 ones are 7, 9s are 3 threes are 3, 5s are. So it is equals to 3 by 5. So then cos A equals to 3 by 5. Let's convert into decimal form. So that is 0.6. But 0.6 equals to cos 53 degrees 13 minutes. So cos cancel. Then angle A equals to 53 degrees 13 minutes. Next to angle B. So for that use cos B formula. Cos B equals to c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2 into c into a. C value 15, a value 13, b value 14 by 2 into 15 into 13. 15 square 225 plus 13 square 169 minus 14 square 196 by 2 into 15 into 13. 225 plus 169, 5 plus 9 14, 1 carry, so 8 9. Next to 2 plus 1 3 minus 196 divided by 2 into 15 30, 30 into 13. 394 minus 196, 14 minus 6 is 8, 8 minus 9, so 18 minus 9, 9, 198 by 30 into 13. So 3 tens are here, 3 6 are 18, again 3 6 are, next to 2 table, 2 5s are, 2 33s are. So 33 divided by 5 into 13, 65. So 33 by 65, 0.507. So then cos B equals to cos B. So cos B equals to 0.507. So but 0.507 equals to cos 59 degrees 49 minutes. So cos cancel, angle B equals to 59 degrees 49 minutes. So next to find out the cos C value using the angle C value using the cos C formula, that is a square plus b square plus c square divided by 2ab. Substitute the a, b, c values. 13 square 169, 14 square 196 divided by 225, 2 into 13 into 14. So then it is equals to, here 14 ones are 14 tens are, 2 ones are 2 5s are. So then 5 divided by 13, 5 divided by 13 equals to 0.38. So then cos C equals to 0.38. So then cos 67 degrees 38 minutes. So cos cancel, C equals to 67 degrees 38 minutes. Third question, A equals to 2, B equals to 2 root 3, C equals to 4. Here total 3 sides given. Let's find out the 3 angles. To find out the angle A, use cos A formula, that is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Substitute the a, b, c values in. 2 root 3 whole square is 4 into 3 plus 16 minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 root 3. So it is equals to 4 3s are 12 plus 16 minus 4 divided by 16 root 3. 12 plus 16 28, 28 minus 4 is 24 divided by 16 into root 3. 4 4s are 16 and here 4 4 6 are, next here 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 divided by 2 into root 3. But these 3 can write as a root 3 whole square divided by 2 root 3. Then root 3 square cancel root 3 by 2. So therefore cos A value is equals to root 3 by 2. But root 3 by 2 equals to cos 30 degrees. Then cos cancel, then angle A equals to 30 degrees. Next to cos B formula, c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ca. Substitute the a, b, c values in the 4 square 16, 2 square 4 minus 4 into 3 divided by 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So then it is equals to 20 minus 12 divided by 16. 20 minus 12 is 8 by 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are 1 by 2. So therefore cos B equals to 1 by 2. But 1 by 2 is equals to cos 60 degrees. So cos cancel. So then angle B value is 60 degrees. Now use the angle sum property, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. From this angle C equals to 180 minus A value 30 and B value 60. So 180 minus 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees. So angle C value is 90. Fourth bit, first one, A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to root 3. So cos A formula, it is equals to, let's substitute the A, B, C values. So B value 2 square, C value root 3 square minus A square, that is 1 square, divided by 2 BC, 2 into C value is root 3. 4 plus 3 minus 1 by 4 into root 3. So 4 plus 3 7 minus 1 by 4 root 3, it is equals to 6 by 4 root 3. Here 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 by 2 root 3. So now 3 can write as a root 3 whole square divided by 2 root 3. So square root 3 cancel. So root 3 by 2. So therefore cos A equals to root 3 by 2. But root 3 by 2 equals to cos 30 degrees. Cos cancel, then angle A equals to 30 degrees. So next cos B formula, c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2 into c into a. Substitute the a, b, c values in this. So root 3 square is 3, 1 square 1 minus 2 square 4 by 2 into root 3. 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So 0 by 2 root 3 equals to 0. So then cos B equals to 0. But 0 equals to cos 90 degrees. Cos cancel, then B equals to 90 degrees. Let's find out the angle C by using the angle sum property. So angle C equals to 180 minus angle A plus angle B. So 180 minus angle A 30, angle B 90. So then it is equals to 180 minus 30 plus 90, 120. So it is equals to 60 degrees. Second problem, A equals to 1, B equals to root 3, C equals to 2. 3 sides given. Then find out the 3 angles. So first I am using the cos A formula, B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Substitute the A, B, C values. Root 3 square is 3, 2 square 4 minus 1, 4 root 3. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6 by 4 root 3. Here 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 by 2 root 3. but 3 can write as a root 3 whole square by 2 into root 3 square cancel. So then cos A equals to root 3 by 2, but root 3 by 2 equals to cos 30 degrees. Then cos cancel, angle A equals to 30 degrees. Next cos B equals to, the formula is c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2 into c into a. Substitute the ABC value. So here simplify. 2 square 4, 1 square 1 minus root 3 square is 3 by 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 3 is 2 by 4. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2. So then cos B equals to 1 by 2, but 1 by 2 equals to cos 60 degrees. Then cos cancel, angle B equals to 60 degrees. Let's find out the angle C by using the angle sum property. So 180 minus A value 30 and B value is 60. So 180 minus 30 plus 60 90, 180 minus 90 is 90.